Hello, today we're going to be showing you a MIPI demonstration system. This MIPI demonstration system is taking video that's being output by this computer, and that video is streaming over this HDMI cable. The video resolution that's being used is 1280 by 720. So the video streams over this HDMI cable down onto this little video interface card, and the first thing that we do with the video is we actually loop it back out to this external display. The other thing that we do with the video is we take the video and we pass it down to a Altima Cyclone 4 programmable logic device. Within this programmable logic device, that video is being processed and then output from the FPGA out to this interface card. And on this interface card there are these Meticom FPGA bridge ICs. These bridge ICs then output MIPI compliant data over these SMA cables. In this particular case, we're using 4 channels of data and 1 channel of clock. It's a source synchronous signal, and each of these channels are differential. So those 4 channels of data go down to another little interface card, which is then connecting the MIPI data to this display. This display has a MIPI controller on the back side of it, which takes the MIPI data and streams it onto this display. And this is the sort of display that you would find inside a standard MIPI camera. So this system was put together by Altima. Altima is a Japanese distributor of Altima programmable logic devices, and they created a full reference design which does all the video processing, and within that reference design they used a MIPI DSI host controller from Northwest Logic. Northwest Logic is an IP provider located in Oregon, and we provided the controller that takes in video data and then outputs it in a MIPI compatible format out to these Meticom chips. These Meticom chips are very important because the FPGAs that are generally available off the shelf do not have the capability of processing MIPI compliant signals, because they don't have the I/O support that's necessary for MIPI. So these Meticom chips, Meticom is a German IC company. These Meticom chips take LVDS and LVCMOS signals from the FPGA and output that in a MIPI compliant fashion. So this demonstration system shows that you can very quickly and in a low-cost basis create FPGA MIPI-based systems, and that's important because MIPI has now become the industry standard for talking to embedded cameras and displays. So there's an increasing demand to be able to use FPGAs to connect to those low-cost displays and cameras. And historically, without having all of these components, the low-cost FPGAs combined with the controllers from Northwest Logic, combined with the bridge ICs, all those components together enable that kind of low-cost system to be put together. So if you're interested in learning more about this, you can go to the Altima, Northwest Logic, and Meticom websites. There's a press release that talks in more detail about all these components, and via those websites you can find out more about these components, and these components are all available to people as of this date. Thank you for your time.